All right, welcome back to BRS, Old Bear's Rod Shop here on Tuesday. Looking for viewers to help us identify this older Dayton bandsaw with just serial number DL. Fixing to put this old whole bed into some acid out there, but got some more soaking right now. Got to make a bigger tub. I'm about 2 inches short on my tub, get it all submerged. Got her pretty well stripped down this morning. Got a lot done last night on that video. This being part 2. Legs really good shape. We got a little sheet metal bend, and then we'll get those just sent to Bride out to get sandblasting material. Got the old parts washer cleaner out here, cleaning out that old greasy, nasty pocket where the gear cluster you saw there on the parts belongs right in there. And so it's coming along, really surprised. Not any cracks. Got a little bit of turkey dobbin welding going on here, and I'm going to get in there and clean that up with and make sure there's no cracks in there with a grinder. Gonna have pull these off here and clean them up on the wire wheel. More parts buried down underneath. Got some acid going over here, that clean strip with a K that I don't advertise for, but it works great. It looks like my water level has gone down. Only been in here about probably less than, well, let's see what this is looking like. Look at there. This thing was rusted to pieces. It actually wouldn't turn. She's turning. All right, I love that stuff. We're going to turn her upside here, back in there. Just spilled some on the concrete. That's not good. It will definitely damage the finish. All right, well, we're coming along, guys. Follow us on this bill, share. And I'm real happy with the gears. Everything come out. I got a little bit of machining. I'm going to put a new bearing on. It's a seal bearing. And there's the old original Dayton. I took time to take out the original rivets, because they were lucky. Back in the old days, they used to drill the hole all the way through, so I managed to tap out the rivets. And back to the board. Please, anybody. And it's the model number is the 30821, serial number DL. And if you got inkling of when this thing was made, probably I would think maybe 70s, 60s. But DL, and what was the L? Now Dayton, of course, that's the D is pretty obvious. But who was teamed up with them? All right, we're out of here. We got plenty to do today. It's getting hot in this shop, Bear's Rod Shop. We're out of here.